What's the meaning of exceed? Exceed. 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 To exceed means to agree to a request or demand, or to become a party to an agreement. It can also mean to attain or assume an office, title, or dignity. When someone accedes to a request, they are giving their consent or approval. This can be done willingly or reluctantly, and it can have a variety of consequences. For example, if a government accedes to the demands of a terrorist group, it may be seen as giving in to their demands and encouraging further violence. On the other hand, if a company accedes to the demands of its customers, it may be seen as being responsive and meeting their needs. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to accede to a request or demand is a complex one that must be made on a case-by-case basis. Briefly, exceed means to agree to a request or demand. It can be done willingly or reluctantly, and it can have a variety of consequences.